Hello all, welcome to Blossom Up. In this video, let us see flowering plants to grow in monsoon season and few of the all seasonal plants as well. Let us start with hibiscus. Comparing to the other hibiscus flowers, the size of this flower is smaller in size. Hibiscus is not a seasonal plant. It blooms throughout the year. So the next one is dahlia. It is a seasonal plant. It need to have a cold temperature. If it is kept in a most of the sunlight place, it starts drooping. The leaves of it starts drooping out. So place it in a shady place. So hibiscus again. I have lot many hibiscus plants in my garden. So the next is cosmos. I have two colored cosmos plants. One is orange, this one, and the other one is red and orange shade. You will be seeing it in the next process of the video. It blooms all through the year and it gives a cool coloring effect in our garden. It basically needs a good amount of sunlight. Next is zinnia. There are lot many colors in zinnia. This is an orange shade. It blooms only in winter cloudy season. So the other one is white hibiscus again. So yeah, this has a long branches you could see. Maintaining hibiscus is an easy process, but you need to take care of mealybugs in case of hibiscus. So this is the dahlia I have shown in the starting of the video. In the first 2 to 3 days of the bloom, it is a smaller one comparing to after 5 days of it. So the next one is hibiscus again. It is a pink and white shade one. This is the most attractive flower in my garden. Hibiscus again, it's a yellow one but it has lot many petals. It's like a bushy flower, you could see. It basically blooms all time. So another one, it's a lemon yellow color. Even this has many petals, same as the previous. So the red hibiscus, you can start growing hibiscus and collect as many colors you see in nursery. It gives a colorful look to your garden. So the next one is vinca. It is an all seasonal plant. So there are lot many colors in this and there is no much maintenance for this plant. It can basically grow in any type of temperature. You can place it in shady place or in the sunlight place as well. So the next one is butterfly blue pea. It is most popularly known as Shanku flower in Telugu states. So it is an stress relief booster. They take it as a tea. The next one is daisy flower. There are 3 colored plants in this. One is white, blue and purple one. I have the purple one. You can start growing these by cuttings as well. The other one is hibiscus baby pink color. This is red and orange shade cosmos flower. These grow all through the year as I said. There is no much maintenance for these plants. You need to place it in a shady place. In order to get high blooms for every plant, you can add compost or cow manure for every 15 to 20 days. The best and the most beautiful flowers you can grow in rainy seasons are these rain lilies. Rain this bulb-like form, they start expanding, and these contain seeds which can be used for growing the plants. The next one is yellow almanda. These are the super growing plants. So you can decorate your garden with lot many easy maintenance plants like hibiscus, rose, and some of the plants like zinnia. Cosmos are the most beautiful flowers and they bloom all through the year. And rain lilies you can grow it in monsoon. So I'll be showing other bloomings in the part 2. Thanks for watching.